Shalom Israel, giving no praise to Yahweh, Hashem Yahushua, Hashem Chakadash, the bonus to the elders, the GMS from who else are teaching to you, Akim, they pushing his word in truth, sincerity, risking your freedom and your life to do so. This video is going to be pretty much about what you see on the screen. Uh, as you can see, it says, she's crazy. Florida woman arrested after she squeezed her boyfriend's genitals so hard that they bled. Now, in a wicked society like this is allowed, and this is what goes on, you know, because this world is wicked. And Esau doesn't put a stop, so he lets these days like this happen. But we're going to get you the judgment. But first, we're going to play the video. All right, so there you go. But according to the Bible, there's a judgment for that. Okay, so we're gonna get the law. This is Deuteronomy. Okay, Deuteronomy 25, verse 11. When men strive together, with one with another, and the wife of one draweth near for to deliver her out of the hand of him that smiteth him. So in this scenario, the Lord told Moses to tell the children of Israel, look, if two people are having a fight, two men, fighting is normal. The Lord has nothing against fighting. Fight's gonna break out, disagreements gonna happen, fists gonna be thrown, okay? According to the law, there's nothing wrong with fighting, as long as it's a just purpose. But sometimes fights break out. So in a situation where a man has his wife with him, and a man is getting his ass beat by the other man, and the woman, his wife, draws near to save him, I'll read on. It says, and putteth forth her hand and taketh him by the secret. Secrets is the loins. It's your genitals. It's your ball sack. Okay? Just to be more graphic. Secret because nobody sees it other than your wife. Okay? It's a secret. Secret part. So if she grabs that man by the secret parts, just grabbing him there, then thou shalt cut off her hand, thine eye shall not pity her. See, even something as simple as if she grabs the man by his balls, just grabs it, doesn't describe if she rips it off, doesn't describe if she wounds it till he can't have kids no more. It just grabs his secret parts. According to the law, she's supposed to lose her hand, but Esau's the border of wickedness, so anything righteous is not going to be implemented. Okay, you see? But it says that I should not pity her according to the scriptures. But let's get this. Habakkuk 1 verse 4. Therefore the law is slack and judgment doth never go forth. Right? The law, what law? Not Esau's law, not the numerical code, okay? Or the law of the attorney or the judge. It's the laws of the Most High, the Bible. It never go forth. The law is slack because according to the law, she's supposed to lose her hand. What did it say? What did it say, Deuteronomy? Thou shalt cut off her hand, and thine eye shall not pity her. But the law of this world is slack. And judgment doth never go forth. Why? Because for the wicked doth compass about the righteous, therefore wrong judgment proceedeth. You see? That's why it's going on. because the wicked doth compass about the righteous. Therefore, wrong judgment proceedeth. That's all she probably had was arrested, made bail, Isaiah 29, verse 16. Surely your turning of things upside down should be esteemed as the potter's clay. For should a work say unto him that made it, he made me not? Or should a thing that framed say unto him, framed it, he have no understanding? But the part I want is surely your turning of things upside down should be esteemed as the potter's clay. Because judgment is slack and it never goes forth. See? See? So it says the boyfriend told officers that his girlfriend, Katie Lee Pitchford, grabbed him by the balls and squeezed them until they bled. He adds that she even tried to choke him, but he managed to escape and call the police. But this is a wicked world we in, man. So this thing is normal. But that's a judgment. She's supposed to lose her hand. But because we're in a society, it won't happen. So with that, I want to give all praise to you. How about you, man? Shout out to Kakadas, the one to the elders. Salutations to you, Aki. Till next time, shalom.